Hi, today we will talk about the sliding blister package. The blister package has three folded edges and it matches with a paper card normally. The paper card can slide into the blister, so it is called sliding blister package. The clear blister can show the inside product clearly. The paper card can print the content that you want to tell the customers. This sliding blister package is very easy to assemble. It can save your time and labor cost. If we were the buyer, we certainly want to buy the good quality package, but how to judge the quality of plastic slide blisters? There have 2 points that you can pay attention to. The first one is that if the paper card and slide blisters match well, you can see usually the paper card and blister have the handle hole. Good supplier will focus on it and they will adjust the position of the handle hole to ensure the sliding blister package looks great. The second one is the looking of backside blister. If the three sides of blister is flat, smooth, and looks great, it is good quality sliding blister package. As a buyer, I guess you may worry about the large shipping value. Let me tell you how we pack the slide blister package. In fact, the slide blister won't occupy with much shipping space. We will pack the slide blister and paper card separately. The slide blister can be stacked one by one, and we made the blister standing in the cartons, so the cargo don't need to worry about the pressure caused by shipping. This one is a phone case slide blister package. It's made by the clear plastic PVC or PET material. It can display your products clearly. This cavity can hold your phone case. If the dimension of your phone case is different and you want to put more products in the blister package, we can make a big cavity to hold all products. As for the blister card, it uses the mounting paper, which is relatively thick material to ensure the printed card is strong enough. This card can be printed everything you want on 2 sides. The surface of slide card is full color printing and matte lamination. Of course, the surface handling has the special craft, like the gold stamping. And silver stamping. They have the watches blister packing. The slide card is made by the single-side coated paper. Single-side coated paper is the paper card that only print on one side. As you can see, the cavity shade also can be customized according to the shade of inside products. This paper card is gloss lamination. In addition, we also have the electronic products like thermometer sliding blisters. Cable sliding blister. Sliding blister also can pack the tools like the button opener blister package. Tape measure slide card blister. Fishing pliers blisters. Generally, the cavity shape of the tool blister package is the same as the shape of inside products. As for cosmetic sliding blister, it can pack makeup brushes, eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, and so on. The eyeliner blister package also has the 3 folded edges. Because the paper card is easy to slide out from the blister, some clients may worry that someone will steal the inside products. In order to ensure the product's safety, we suggest that you can use clear sticker to attach on the top of blister, or using stapler to clip it. We can also make the blister that have 4 folded edges to ensure the product's safety. In a word, a green package is a professional package supplier. If you have any needs for this kind of slide blister package, please feel free to contact me or leave a note in the comment section below. Tell us your requirements, then we can give you some professional advice.